when I pour the concrete, I need to make sure that these anchor bolts are exactly where they need to be. So I have made templates. So here's all the templates. I've got one more that I need to make here. So I'll show you that process. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this board here. This is a 2x6, but it's not a true dimension of 6. So the middle is about 2 3/4. So I've set my caliper here for 2 3/4, and I'm just going to scribe a line. All right, so now that I have my line scribed, I'm just going to pick a random spot towards the bottom. And there's our steel line. Here's the one we're looking at. We know it's 20 feet from the north wall, 40 feet from the south wall. We've got 40 feet from the south, and we've got 20 feet from the north. That's the line that we have now. So now we need the steel line. We need to go 8 1/4 inches, then another 3 to find the center of those, and another 4 to find the center of those. All right, so now I've used square. This was my 4-inch, this was my 3-inch. If you notice here, we've got to go 2 inches on either side of that middle now. My caliper for 2 inches. There it is, 2 inches. I'll kind of lock it in place there. There's my 2 inches. So now I just know that I need to go from here to there, from here to here, scribe here to here, that's a 1/3, and here to here, that's a 1/4. All right, so now I'm gonna drill these 4 holes, and then I'm gonna drill a line right here, and this will help when I go to set it in place. It'll help make sure that I'm right on my mark. There's 1, 4 more to do. All right, and the last hole here. By the way, these are 3/4 inch holes because that's what what it called for. And actually, I'm going to show you what I'm actually using out here. I have no power out here, so this is my drill press. It's just running off of a solar generator system. So here's my panels. It's a jackery system. And if I go up into the bus here, you can see that right now I've got about 45% battery, taking in about 113 watts of solar. Template is not to scale, but there's the holes, there's the steel line, and it looks like that. All right, so if I did my job right, these bolts should be exactly where they're supposed to be. There's my anchor bolts. Crazy coming right up to there. A quick update for everyone. My dad and I have been backfilling for the last 5 days. And I've been putting in this drainage system for the gutters. Now I'll show you what I did here. All right, so far, you see the stone here. I've got a little bit of stone. Then I put this drain tile underneath that to kind of get rid of any water that might be there. Then I put more stone on top of that. Then I put sand, or made sure that the pipe was downhill here. Had a little cutout in the wall here so that I could have drains inside my building. So that's what I've been up to.